In this video, learn new Paint app with dark mode in Windows 11. Open browser and type Store. RG Edgard in the Google search bar. Click on first link. Open new tab and type Paint Microsoft Online in the Google search bar. Click Windows, Paint Microsoft https://apps.microsoft.com link. Copy URL. Paste link from the Microsoft Store. Select Ring and click on the checkbox to get all available links. Right-click Microsoft Paint 11.2304 17.0 Neutral and click Save Link As from the context menu. And select Desktop to download and press Save button. Press Arrow button and click Keep from the context menu. Open Setup and press Update button. And press Launch. This will open the Paint. And go to Settings. In the Paint settings, select Dark Theme. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.